phones we count, pens. What do we not count in English? We usually, it's like you're close, but we usually have like a bottle of water, a glass of water, a liter of water. So we usually count it in a different way, but we usually count it somehow. Unless we say, can I have some water? But we usually say, can I have a glass of water? But what don't we count? Yes, yes, I have no idea. I don't know what they don't count. Fruit? Food? We don't count. Okay, food in general. No, we don't count. That's true. But we count like oranges. We count sandwiches. We count, we count bowls of ramen or bowls of noodles. But you're close. It's just like food itself we don't count. You're right. Can I have some food? Okay. Money we definitely count. We count that a lot. Very carefully. Okay, so usually it's things that are very small. Like tiny things. What's really small? What did you say? No, what did you say? Salt, exactly. Salt. We don't count salt. How do you count salt? There's one salt, two salts, three salts. SALT. Yeah. Like to put on your food. Salt. Yeah. It's like we don't count it. Unless you're cooking and then you think, okay, this much salt. You have to measure it. But usually, can I have some salt? Because if you think of one piece of salt, it's called a grain of salt. But we don't get, can I have 10 grains of salt, please? Impossible. Okay, we don't do that. It's too small. Okay, so what else don't we count? Sugar is another good one, exactly. Same as salt, because it's so small. Can I have 10 grains of sugar, please? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Impossible. Well, it's not impossible, but we don't, right? Sure. So yeah, salt, sugar, anything else? Time? Count time? We count time. Time, can I have, we have some time. So in that case, yeah, we don't count it. But usually, for example, how long is this class? Almost 2 hours. Yeah, so we count the minutes. We count seconds. In the Olympics, how closely do they count time? When they're running, they count time, right? Not just to the second, but 1.001 second. Okay. Very, very, very carefully count time. So what? Anything else? Salts, sugar. Blood? Actually, we give, like when you give blood, like a bag, it's like one pint, which is like 500 milliliters. So yeah, we count blood. Unless you're just like bleeding out. Oh, he's losing blood. How much blood? I don't know. It's a lot. There's a lot of blood there. So yeah, so it depends on the situation. If someone's just bleeding, we can't count it, of course, because it's a liquid. Yeah. But for example, like gasoline, when you go to the gas station and they put the gas in, do they count? Do they count how much gas? When you take your car or your scooter to the gas station, and they put the gas in, do they count? Are they counting how much gas? Do you drive?
No.
You don't have a scooter?
No.
How about you? No car? No scooter? Motorcycle, okay. So you buy gasoline. No, but you buy gas, fuel in your tank. You put gas in. But they count, like 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, because you have to pay for each liter, right? Yeah, so they count very carefully, gasoline. Okay? But what else do they count? So sugar is small, okay? Salt is small. What else is small? Sand, exactly, sand, at the beach. You can't count sand. How many sands do you have? Oh, I have 25 sands. No, impossible. Okay, sure. And how about air? Air is very small, right? You can't see it. It's so small. Yeah. Here, I've got 5 air here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so air is a good one. So these are things that we don't count. Okay, so if you don't count it, so for example, how many CDs do you have? Okay, so many is for counting. Okay, 1 CD, 2 CDs, 3 CDs, 4 CDs, 5 CDs, right? Sand. Do you say how many sands? How many sugars? How many salts? It's not many. What's the word we use? Not many. Much. How much sugar? How much salt? How much sand? How much air? Right? Okay? So do you understand the difference? So many is for counting, much is for not counting. Okay? Okay? Okay. Okay, moving right along. Next. Oh, did everyone go? Everyone went, right? Everyone read this once? Okay. Okay, so what are we looking at next? What does this say, Jerry? Popular hobbies. Okay. What are some of the popular hobbies we talked about? Okay. Remember the hobbies? The hobbies. Okay, these are some hobbies, right? Okay. Now, at the bottom, we have a bunch of verbs that go with the hobbies. Coco, can you read the verbs? In this box here, can you read the verbs?
Read.
Read, please. Yeah.
Use.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Yes.
Play.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Read.
Yes.
Hang out.
Yes.
Watch.
Watch. Excellent. Okay, good. Okay, so what's the first one, Sherry? No, if you look at, where's my? Yeah. This one. What's the verb? Exactly. You go swimming. What's another thing that you go to? You go swimming. You go. Where else do you go? You go to school. You go hiking. Yeah, you go hiking. You go swimming. Where else do you go? Okay, if you use you use to, it's a defined definition. So you know exactly where you're going. I'm going to Hong Kong. I'm going to Japan. But if you go swimming, where's swimming? I don't know. Ocean, the pool. I don't know. Which pool? I don't know. So, but you just go swimming. So what's another one for go?